one, you don't do girlfriend duties to somebody that's, you know, like not your boyfriend. So I screenshotted his message, and instead of sending it to Lauren, I sent it to him.
I'm not bossy, I'm the boss. You know I can set it off, but I'd rather use my heart when I put my faith in God. Nothing bothers me at all. I am more than my emotions. I know I am in control when...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a story time today. I'm gonna just tell y'all about a time I sent a screenshot of me and the guy I was talking to at the time. I sent him a screenshot of our messages, like I was so embarrassed. And if he sees it, hey, I haven't talked to him in a long time. But before I embarrass myself, I'm gonna need y'all to like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my YouTube, and I'm gonna just need y'all to do it because I'm not gonna embarrass myself. So, okay, so I had to be about like 14 or 15 or something like that. I was in 8th grade, and I was talking to this guy. Like, I'm not even gonna say his name because y'all don't even know all that. But of course, he was older than me. I like older guys. I don't like talking to like boys the same age as me because they can't do nothing to me. Period. So, he was so cute. He was tall. He was like brown skin. But of course, he was a player. Like, I don't know, girls just always fall or like the bad boys and the boys that's no good for them. I don't know, but I've changed. So, like I said, I was like in 8th grade. So I was talking to this boy, and I don't know, like it was, I'm trying to remember. Okay, it was around homecoming, and he played football, and it was like around Halloween because our homecoming was always around Halloween time. I remember it so good. Like, I was in my room and I was watching Switches, that movie with Tina Tamara that always come on around Halloween time. That's like one of my favorite movies, y'all, like, for real. So, me and this guy, like, I was liking him for a long time. And so, me and my best friend at the time, Lauren, hello, I would just always talk to her about this guy or whatever. And she was like, Taylor, like, you need to, like, ask for his number or whatever. So I'm very stubborn. I'm like, girl, like, he's the guy. Like, you want to talk to me? He's going to ask me for my number. But apparently, like, over time, he wound up doing it or whatever. So, like I said, it was around homecoming and around Halloween. So I was in my room, and we were texting. And like I said, he played football. So, we were talking not even like a good week. Not even a good week. And you know what this boy gonna ask me? He asked me if I can make a poster with his name on it, his football number, and show up to the game and like cheer for him like I'm a cheerleader or something. Like, cheer for him, and after the game, like, we could take a picture with the poster. And if I could bring like a goodie bag. He had me messed up for real because rule number one, you don't do girlfriend duties to somebody that's, like not your boyfriend, or like you don't do wifely duties. And some, like, a boy not, or a man not wifing, period.
Nothing left to say, like, period.
So I don't know who he thought I was just because he was older than me. I don't know if he thought like I was like some type of flunky, like, or something. I don't know, but he had me messed up. So like I said, I texted Lauren, and I was like, girl, guess what? And, girl, my friend's trying to go to Atlanta, at the end of the month. They talking about it right now. So if I go, Jada, Destiny, call me so we can link. Okay, call me. Text me, DM me. We only go, period. Anyways, what I was saying? Oh yeah, so I'm texting Lauren. I say, girl, guess what? She was like, what? So I'm like, you won't believe what so-and-so just asked me to do. Or whatever. And she was like, what? So y'all, I screenshotted his message. And instead of sending it to Lauren, I sent it to him. And you know how like whenever you send a message, you could like hurry up and turn the airplane mode off? Y'all, I tried to do it and it sent anyway. Y'all, I wanted to cry. So when I seen it, y'all, I swear, I just like froze. And I just threw my phone across the room. I'm like, oh my God, like, girl, like you already, like you tripping. Like, girl, you already younger than him. So now he really gonna think you a little girl. Like, you really gonna think something's wrong with you. So I called Lauren, freaking out, and I'm like about to cry at this point because I'm like, oh my gosh. But I'm still kind of mad because I'm like, I don't know, like, how you gonna ask somebody to do that to you? And how can I just send a message saying, y'all, like, I really sent this boy a screenshot of my messages. So I'm calling and freaking out. She's like, Taylor, what's wrong? So I said, girl, I just sent a message, like a screenshot. I was trying to send it to you, and I sent it to him. Girl, she started laughing. And she was like, are you serious? I'm like, yes. So I'm like, just stay on the phone with me until he texts back. So girl, he texts back. And yo, he was like, who are you trying to send that to, Lauren? And I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, no. Like, I try to throw it off. Like, I try to play it off so good, y'all. Like, to try to throw him off. I was like, no. And he was like, well, who are you trying to send that to? I said, y'all, I said, I was trying to send that to you. I was trying to make sure you were sending it to the right person because I'm not your girlfriend. So why would I make a poster and do all this? I'm not your girlfriend. And yo, you know what he said? Like M-H-M-M-M. Y'all, Lauren texts back. Like, I had asked her if she remembered so y'all wouldn't think I'm lying. But I'ma insert it in the video because y'all, this was like just tragic. So he was like, So I always seen him at school, like between, like, I think we had like 8 classes in junior high. So I will always see him, I think going to like my 6th or 7th period or whatever. That was like a cooking class or whatever. And me and Lauren would always walk there together because we had the same class. And it was always coming from the same, you know. I had to switch cameras or whatever, but I'm back. So yo, so I will always, like I said, I will always see him going to this class or whatever. And this day I was ready to, y'all. I was gonna be late on purpose just so I couldn't run like into him. So I'm like, Lauren, like, wait for me, I don't want to see him. Y'all, she waited for me like around the hall. And you know, we had like 5 minutes to get to class. So y'all, I was like, okay, like the target bell rang or whatever. So I was like, let's go. Y'all, I still ran into him because he was running late too. Like, I'm like, Lord, like if this is not a sign that I should just see him and face him, then I don't know what it is. Girl, y'all, he made me so sick. Oh, girl, I was so mad. Like, I was nervous. Like, I got this funny feeling in my stomach. I got butterflies. Like, oh, y'all know that feeling whenever you get on a roller coaster and you go, like, about to go to the top. And you just get that feeling in your stomach, that uneasy feeling. I got that. So I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, really? So he was looking at me. And I was trying so hard not to look, but you need to feel somebody like looking at you. And he is blowing, she's like, Taylor, like, he's looking at you. I'm like, okay, shut up. And then, y'all, he was like, hey, Taylor. Yeah, he was a country boy. Like, he was a country boy. I don't really like country boys, but he was country. He was like, hey, Taylor. hey. And he was like laughing, like, you know, like, he was looking like laughing, like that little slick laugh. And I'm like, whatever. But y'all, that, like, was so traumatizing to me. So, like, to this day, like, if I'm trying to be messy or something, and I'm about to send a screenshot of text messages to somebody, like somebody's text messages to some, like one of my friends or my mom or whatever, I really make sure I'm sending it to the right person, because I have PTSD from that. Yo, I swear, like, that taught me a lesson. Like, I was messy back then for doing that, but you know, like, it was like not even messy. You know, you just had tea for your friends and stuff. That was like tea to me. So that was just that. But y'all, I really have PTSD from that. It's crazy. But I haven't talked to him in a long time. Like, I see him now, and like, he just glowed down. Like, he didn't glow up. So I'm like, how could I like you? He was so cute back then. Girl, now he just got a baby on the way. And like, just, I don't know, he just ratchet. Like, I'm not saying having a baby on the way is ratchet, but now he just don't keep a haircut. Like, he, because I don't want no baby right now, period. He got to be somebody's daddy. And God knew what he was doing, because I'm not ready to be nobody's mama, no baby mama, none of that. I'm trying to get life. Graduate school, then I'm gonna be somebody's mama after I'm done traveling and stuff, and live my best life. So God knew what he was doing. So like, that really probably happened for a reason. He's probably like, man, I'm not with that girl. I'm not gonna be with that girl because she said, because she sends screenshots of my messages to her friends. But that really was like, it's funny now, but back then I did not think that was funny. And like I said, to this day, no one remembers that, and I'm gonna insert it in the video. But recently, like, I'm 20 now, so like on my 19th birthday, I was at PB homecoming, and he had Snapchatted me, and he was like, you know, I'm coming to PB homecoming, and you want a link? I don't know.
Next caller.
No, them days are over. Gone, done, out of there, it's through. But yo, it's funny, but it was not funny then, I promise. But yo, that's the end of my story time. Yeah, that's the end. But let me know if that happened to y'all, cause I still feel like I'm the only person that happened to, even though it's not, like, I'm not the only person that happened to. But share y'all stories and stuff. But I thank y'all for watching me and listening to my story. And I hope y'all laughed or something, because I can laugh about it now. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And yeah, thank y'all. Bye.